Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics. Today we're going to talk about AI. Accounting is changing faster than most people realize. What used to take hours of manual work, sorting receipts, reconciling accounts, preparing reports, is now being transformed by artificial intelligence. And this isn't some distant future, it's already happening. Imagine closing your monthly books in minutes instead of days, spotting fraud before it even happens, or having a system that not only tracks your numbers, but tells you what decisions to make next. That's the direction accounting is heading. And if you're not paying attention, you could fall behind quickly. Let's start with the basics. What does AI actually mean when it comes to accounting? Artificial intelligence in accounting refers to systems that can process financial data, recognize patterns, and make decisions or recommendations with minimal human input. Unlike traditional software that simply follows rules, AI learns over time. The more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. Now, this shift is changing the role of accountants in a big way. Traditionally, accountants spent a large portion of their time on repetitive tasks, like data entry, invoice matching, and bank reconciliations. AI is taking over much of that. For example, modern accounting tools can automatically read invoices using optical character recognition, extract the key data, and post it to the correct accounts. What used to take hours can now happen in just seconds. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a small business owner who receives hundreds of invoices every month. Instead of manually entering each one, an AI-powered system scans the invoices, identifies the supplier, the amount, VAT, and due date, and categorizes the expense correctly. Over time, it learns patterns, like recognizing recurring suppliers, and becomes more accurate with each transaction. Another major area where AI is making a difference is bank reconciliation. Now, traditionally, accountants had to match each transaction in the bank statement with entries in the accounting system. AI can now automate this process by identifying patterns and matching transactions with a high degree of accuracy. If something doesn't match, it flags it for review instead of requiring a full manual check. This leads to faster closing cycles. Companies that used to take weeks to close their books can now do it in just days or even hours. But AI doesn't stop just at automation. One of its most powerful features is predictive analysis. Instead of just telling you what happened last month, AI can actually forecast what's likely to happen next month. For instance, it can analyze historical cash flow data and predict when a company might run into liquidity issues. This allows business owners to take action early, like delaying certain expenses or securing financing before problems arise. Here's another example. A retail company uses AI to analyze seasonal sales trends. The system notices that sales always dip in early spring and recommends adjusting inventory levels and marketing spend ahead of time. This sort of insight turns accounting from a backward-looking function into a forward-looking strategic tool. Fraud detection is another area where AI shines. AI systems can monitor transactions in real time and identify unusual patterns that might indicate fraud. For example, let's say an employee suddenly starts approving unusually large payments, or if transactions occur at odd hours, the system can actually flag these activities immediately. This level of oversight is difficult to achieve manually, especially in larger organizations. Now, you might be wondering, does this mean accountants will become obsolete? Not at all. In fact, the opposite is happening. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, accountants are shifting toward more advisory roles. Instead of spending time on data entry, they can focus on interpreting financial information, advising clients, and helping businesses make better decisions. Think of it this way. AI handles the what, and accountants focus on the why and the what's next. For example, instead of preparing a financial report, an accountant might analyze it and advise a client on how to improve profitability or reduce costs. This makes the role more valuable, not less. However, this shift does come with challenges. Accountants need to adapt by learning new skills. Understanding how AI tools work, being able to interpret data outputs, and maintaining professional judgment are becoming essential. There's also the issue of data security and ethics. With more automation comes the responsibility to ensure that the systems are accurate, transparent, and secure. Another important point is that AI is not perfect. It relies on data, and if that data is incorrect or incomplete, the results will be flawed. That's why human oversight remains critical. Accountants need to review outputs, question anomalies, and ensure that the decisions are based on reliable information. Looking ahead, we can expect even more advanced developments. We're moving toward fully integrated systems where accounting, payroll, tax, and financial planning are connected in real time. AI assistants may soon act like a financial co-pilot, answering questions, generating reports on demand, and offering strategic advice instantly. Imagine asking your accounting system, "Can I afford to hire another employee next quarter?" and getting a detailed, data-driven answer within seconds. That's not science fiction, my friends. It's already starting to happen. The future of accounting with AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about enhancing them. It's about faster processes, smarter insights, and better decisions. For businesses, it means more efficiency and clearer financial direction. For accountants, it means evolving into strategic advisors who bring real value beyond the numbers. The key takeaway here is embrace the change, learn the tools, stay curious. Because in the world of accounting, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.